The moon's in Leo, I'll say. Oh no. Oh golly. Oh. 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 I know what we're doing. We're gonna do pancakes. Yes. We're gonna put chocolate in. I just dropped all of my eggs in the sink. Please don't be broken. And there's 2 left. Just enough. Fully intact. God gives. We're gonna put dark chocolate in, and then we're gonna make this really yummy, like, berry syrup. Do I have? No hands. What could go wrong? Okay, open the box. In a large bowl, whisk together water, eggs, and melted butter. I don't want to melt the butter. Stir until combined, but still slightly lumpy. Do not over mix. Don't over mix it! Let stand for 10 minutes to thicken. What kind of fucking time do they think we're working with here? 1.5 cups of water. Okay. This lighting is wild. Do you think I can do this without the butter? Oh. We're gonna do coconut oil instead of butter. God damn it, you guys. I'm just brilliant. Water, water, water. We need a cup. Throw in 1 cup. And yeah, throw in another half of a cup, man. Just do it. Yeah. Who knows where the wind blows? Who knows where the time goes? Welcome to the Jacob Bentley Show. It's about me, not you. How are ya? Just kidding. This is a monologue. Whisking. Get your whisk. And then you're gonna wanna just as fast as your wrist allows.
Just as fast as your wrist allows.
God, this takes me back. I used to bake a lot in high school. Me and Betty Crocker were best friends. I was also kind of deranged. But it was part of my charm. Just kidding. Psycho. I was under the impression that I was Blair Waldorf. I was Kurt Hummel. Let's just be very clear. How much melted butter? I don't know. We're just gonna eyeball it. Yeah, we're just gonna, yeah. It's squirt. I don't like that. Honestly, how much melted butter? 1/4 of a cup. I don't know what that math is. Failed that. Speaking of high school. Failed that. I dyscalculia. It's not my fault. That's a real thing. Look it up. I may have overwhisked it. Don't overmix it! I have authority problems. Oops. Although, don't tell me what to do at the same time. Do you know what I mean? Like, you can try, but shan't. Won't. Will I do it? I have authority problems. Anyway, now break off some chocolate. Delicious. I like dark chocolate. I like it cold, because I like it snappy. You're gonna wanna get your chocolate, you're just gonna wanna chop it up into many pieces. Just chop that shit up. Yeah. Just, you know, dicey as it gets. That'll do. Then take your mixture and just, like so. What else? I don't know. Okay, maybe this is all I have to give, you know? It's not. But it could be. Feel free to add coconut, or almonds, or cashews, or hazelnuts, or blueberries, banana, or whatever you'd like. I don't know. Do people add almonds to pancakes? Maybe they should. Crushed. Shocked? No, that doesn't sound like a good idea. But few are. Emotional terrorist. Hi, I'm Jacob Bentley, and I was an emotional terrorist. If you or any other family, friends, or distant relatives of yours were victim to my megalomania, contact the number below and we can contact you with a specialized counselor and generalized person who claims to give a fuck. They can help. And, for the record, I'm sorry. I'm a delight. I need a haircut. It's from Aladdin. I was in that play. I was also in Alice in Wonderland. Played a doorknob. Can't make that shit up. Explains a lot, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. I know. Okay, then get a pan. I'm not gonna do the fun limp wrist thing because, frankly, I think I'm gonna get carpal tunnel. You're also gonna wanna get a small pot. And if you have some, smoke it while you got it. Like so. Now, fresh fruits and vegetables will work. Oh, I have to add eggs. Don't forget to add eggs to your pancake mix. Like, yeah. I win. I win, fuckers. I win. It's me against the music. What?
Well, I'm sun-kissed.
You're sun-kissed? Says who?
Me.
Where did you hear this from?
This is very sun-kissed compared to the normal Casper existence I lead. Oh, you're filming now. Sorry.
Dying for attention.
Make my parka tonight.
Your parka? It's 23 degrees outside. I love you.
I adore you. How did your other video go over?
Oh, swimmingly.
Really?
Yeah. Got a whole 44 views. It's doing great. You'll retire in no time. I don't need your pity. I have charisma for days. It's okay, I had no friends when I was a child. I don't need friends now. This is pathetic. Oh my god, I'm 25. Okay, also, if you have frozen fruit, grab that. If you have fresh fruit, even better. You're rich. Whip it out. Oh. Ooh. Testosterone. Who knew? You're gonna want to combine that into a small pot of your choosing. Using blueberries, blackberries, cherries, and strawberries. All the berries, all the superfruits, all the antioxidants, all the hits. We're gonna basically make a mushy paste, okay? That's what's going on here. We're gonna heat it up, and we're gonna put some maple syrup on it. We're gonna call it a goddamn day. Because then we're gonna have a party. We're gonna have a nice little party. Party of one. Hold, please. Here we are, over by the stove. You know it well. Okay, so grab your mixture. Forgot that over there. But yeah, anywho. Hold on, just a minute. I'm coming back. Okay, yes. You're gonna wanna turn low heat on the frozen berries so we can melt it. Get all those juices flowing. We want it juicy, we want it boisterous, we want it yummy. We want it hot and nasty. Now we're going to oil the pan lightly and generously. Now we want the pan to be hot, okay? Because we're not fucking around here. It's no amateur hour. Spatula never hurt anybody. Some people are gonna say use an ice cream scoop. Those people are weak. Okay? Use a measuring cup. Scoop as I very well please. Oil your pan, slosh it around. Ooh, it smells delicious. I'm already winning, miles ahead of the competition. Oh, open your maple syrup too. Oh, Jesus. What? Can't be that weak. Really? Are you kidding? Not a bit. What the fuck? This is just impossible. It's welded by Hades? Like what? President's choice, my ass. Welded by the devil, this was. Hold, please. Voila! I'm bleeding. It's fine. A battle wound. Oh my god, it's fine. Now, some of you, fools, will have forgotten about your pan while struggling to open your maple syrup. I am not one of them. And the oil is definitely not burning. Don't get blood in your batter. Scoop it and dupe it. Yes, that's the sound of glory. Oh, if you really want to be fancy, you can, there's a keep warm setting. Yes. No, I take it back. No, oh, you can turn your warming center on. If you have that function on your stove, use it now. Yes, and then you can get a plate, I think. Now, be sure to watch your berries and your bearings as a whole. Yeah, the berries get good and steamy. Oh, wow. Wow, okay, this is, and we're off. Pancakes for dinner is delicious. Said every 10-year-old ever lived. But that's fine, I've lost my youth to a pandemic. My mother was telling me about her 20s. What did you do? Oh, spent it in the bars and going to Maui in Texas. Spent mine in quarantine and funeral homes, but totally fine. Not to harp on the past, but the prime of my life has been stolen. And that's just something I have to come to terms with. So, pancakes it is. No gluten, though. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. We're good. Killing it. I also started an antidepressant. It's all good. Okay, not gonna lie, this first pancake that's normally a dud kind of killed it. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's gonna be a star, I tell you, a star. Yeah, man. Woohoo! What were you like in high school? Did you have friends? I wasn't that bad. So, I mean, I did win biggest drama queen and king at my high school prom. It's fine, yeah, there weren't any runner-ups. So there's that. And yes, so I clapped at a couple of people while yelling in my cafeteria. And sure, I may have caused more fights than I got grades, but some people are afraid of confrontation. I'm not one of them. I am now, if that makes you feel better. Now I'm terrified of it. So terrified of regressing back to that person. I was depressed, okay? I had undiagnosed trauma. It wasn't my fault. It was totally my fault. I'm so sorry. Not a day goes by I don't think about that with regret. Or about that guy. If you work at Greco's Pizza and I came in 2 years ago and you spoke to me and I had no idea who you were, only to find out that we were in English class together for 4 years and I didn't learn your name, I'm so sorry. I don't know if you noticed, but I was a little self-involved. It wasn't your fault. It was me. It's not you, it's me. That is glaringly obvious by now to most of you. But I was late to the game. I'm there now. This is an apology tour. I take full responsibility, and I have grown. 5 funerals and a pandemic later, he learned. But more on that later. So I've been watching Alias. I know I'm a little late. given that it stopped airing in 2006. But by God, it's good. If you have Disney Plus, give it a watch. Jennifer Gardner and Bradley Cooper, who knew? They starred in a show together for like 5 years. It's great. Quentin Tarantino shows up in it somehow. Didn't know he acted. J.J. Abrams created the damn show. Ugh. Splendid. You got wigs, spies, Los Angeles in the early 2000s. What more can you ask for? Really? Don't forget to stir your fruit. Your boiling fruit. Rolling with the homies. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. Do-do-do-do. Only a hippopotamus will do. No, you don't want a hippopotamus. It'll eat you alive. Stupid child. Vicious. Also, chimpanzees. Terrified of those. And baboons. Fun fact. What are your fears? Also, maybe don't wear white while you do this. But I like to live on the edge. Oh, now, this is a great meal for dinner, for breakfast, lunch even, perhaps a midday snack. Could be great after a late night rendezvous with a lover. If you have one. I don't. I'm not looking. You know what? I give up. It's all good. I'm more than enough. Who wants that? A relationship? Love? Not me. I don't need that. I don't crave love from strangers, let alone men. Wow, I'm really just making like a tower of flapjacks here. Okay, we're done. Add your syrup to your berry concoction. As much or as little as you'd like. It's really up to you. And there you go. And next thing you know, you have a stack of pancakes. Ow, ow. It's a little hot. Ow. Whoa. Remember how I mentioned that warming center? Hot. And there you go. Hot. The syrup is done. You'll know it's done. Ow, that handle's hot. Mother of God. You'll know it's done because it'll be steamy and sexy and fun. Then get your plate. I've singled it out. Actually, there's 3. But, you know, I'm eating for none. And you're gonna get a good spoonful of fruit and berries. And just, drizzle. You just want it sticky and beautiful and fruity. Get them juices. And voila! Oh yeah. Get some green juice, light a candle, get your favorite show. Oh, what more do you need? Delicious. Who needs love? Not when you're this great. Not me. Not I. Thanks for watching. I make videos every Friday. See you next week, kids. Oh, I love you. I'm gonna be single forever. Oh! Got berries on my shirt. Why, God, why?